ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು. ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಲಿ.
Yesterday's bloodbath of mosquitoes be seen here. So much mosquitoes. Thank you. I think by far Bengal is the where you'll get bit cheaper petrol. Everywhere else is costly. My front tire is leaking, I guess from a long time now. I'll check it at the service center, but they checked and said there is no puncture. I got it checked twice. Both times they said no puncture, but it's losing air like every day. What? तुला
नाइट्रोजन नाइट्रोजन दिबेन नाइट्रोजन
नाइट्रोजन लगा
पहले से नाइट्रोजन दिया हुआ है क्या?
नहीं किया, उसको निकाल देंगे. We stopped here for a hotel, Nadia Hotel, for a nice lunch. There's a lot of people staring at us. So we stopped here. Okay, to update, we are actually going to Siliguri today. We wasted half day because we went to get the test, RT-PCR test done here in Malda. As per the rules, I think Sikkim require a negative RT-PCR test. So we went there. They didn't do the test, asked us to do it in the Siliguri. We waited almost 2 hours for that. So we are now going to Siliguri and get the test done. It's kind of scary because all our trip we thought will not have any issue, but now this test is actually dependent on how the whole trip goes. If it becomes positive, we will be stuck. If it is negative, the ride goes on. Okay, our first stop is directly going to the hospital to get the RT-PCR test done, so that at least we'll get the report tomorrow. I think by the time we'll reach, it will be about 5. Spoke to one of the guys, Sangeet here, Sujit Kundu. So he said he'll help me get the information right now. That is sorted, but we don't know whether we're still able to enter Sikkim or not. Okay, we are at this North Bengal Government Hospital, but thing is that the COVID thing is just closed, it seems. So we probably reached late by half an hour or something. It's still 5 o'clock we reached, but it's closed. So they said come tomorrow at 10 a.m. I think we will get the test done tomorrow. It's a nice restaurant we walked in. It's a beautiful setup. It's a Tibetan restaurant, it seems. Okay, update. We have reached Siliguri. Like I said, we went to the hospital, but we didn't get the test done because it was already closed. So tomorrow we have. I mean, they told that tomorrow, I think after 10 it opens. So 10 to 2 is the one. I mean, the test will be done. So I'm not sure whether we will have to stay tomorrow as well. I'm still not sure about that. As of now, we are kind of tensed actually whether how the test will turn up and what will happen, whether we'll be actually staying here for tonight, tomorrow, or what if the test is positive. So we don't have any of the symptoms or anything. We're like both are like perfectly well, but you don't know how actually, and especially the government hospital, I'm not sure. I've heard so many news articles that there are things goes wrong even whenever there's a negative shows positive and all that. So kind of okay. We can't do anything much apart from getting the test done. So tomorrow we'll get the test done. For now, I think we'll just have a nice food. We ordered chicken chow mein, Banu's favorite. So only the thing that frightens me is the next after the test. Like if it's positive, we are blocked off everything. We can't even fly back. We can't ride back. We have to stay and isolate and everything. So that's the worry. Let's see. Anyway, it's for tomorrow. Chandu. Chappan. Good morning. So we are in Siliguri today. So today is the day where we're going to get the test done. So we're just starting from the hotel. I think it opens at 10 it seems. So I'm just going here. Probably meet Santanu as well. His shop is here itself nearby. I have ordered my pinlock visor to his address actually. So I'll just go there and collect it as well. This is what we are using. This is the gear oil. We have given the test. We went to the government hospital and actually we given the test. I think the report will come around afternoon tomorrow. We just like loaded up our bike and everything. I'm getting a call. Hello. So he just updated that we are getting the report by tomorrow, and we have given the receipt, and also Sujit Bhai has actually helped us when he'll be collecting the report and he'll send it to us tomorrow. So we are now going to Sikkim. I'm also going to meet Santanu now. He has the my pinlock visor, so that's one of the things which we really need actually up there in the cold weather. And he's also like we have been Facebook friends for like a long time, but we couldn't meet. But he's also the guy who rides a lot, and he does take people to Sikkim tours and all. So I'll be going there now. I'll we are geared up everything. It's almost about 12:30 something. Okay, that's right. This is Santanu's office. Nice. This is where we'll be going. Thank you for actually helping us here in Sikkim. Sorry, Siliguri Adventure Destination Adventure Store. So he also takes people to Sikkim, right? And also provides bikes and everything. So if you are in Siliguri and need a trip to Sikkim and entire all the guide and everything, so he's the person to contact.
Any kind of issues, just give me a call.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And we'll be now, I think so he also suggested we'll better take the Darjeeling route. So we'll be taking the Darjeeling now around 2 or 3 hours from here. So we'll be doing that. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay, for those who don't know, we are going to Darjeeling, and Darjeeling is West Bengal itself, so doesn't really need any of the COVID test. So we will be getting the report tomorrow, and Sujit will actually send it to us.
Kilometers for the
Allah. Okay, it's super cool. The friends are नहीं होगा
नहीं रास्ता नहीं है ये। हाँ, आपको कहाँ पर जाना है?
वो नॉर्थ स्टार होटल।
नॉर्थ स्टार। आपको वहाँ से जाना था, आगे वो है ना, ट्रैफिक है ना यहाँ थोड़ा आगे।
ओके,
ट्रैफिक से
ऊपर था।
We reached Darjeeling. We got this nice room. This is nice. Yeah, and it's super cold though. But we have a nice view of the town. Probably it'll look nice in the morning.